Many times students come and maximum student come for the Western student ask this question. Why Guruji in India is a lot of God, especially in Hindu religion? This is not true. A lot of God, Hindus look the God because they have a trust. God is everywhere. Veda always talking, energy is one. God is the one. It is biggest confusion. People think as the many God, many. No, Hindu know God is the one. Everyone is the one power, universal power. They're talking the supreme power, supreme light, Mother Gayatri. In the Christianity say the Pentecostal fire. Hindu say the supreme light. Everything come by this. More deep go in Shiva. Say Shiva has no any place the meet any think Shiva is the man. Shiva is never going finish. Shiva is never going start. Means start with silence. It is one vibration come. And this is the real energy. Silence energy. Create the energy like supreme light. And this light is create the energy point like Vishnu, Brahma, others God, other God and Goddess. Simple way try to understand. I tell you, electricity is the one, but this is going in the different place. Like going in the fan, then it is you use the like air, going in light, then you use the light. But anybody ask, this light is the God, then which way it is coming light? But light come by electricity. Fan, this is come by electricity. Same way, different God, it is the power of same source of energy. Which type of energy need the people going this type of God. I like here is Ganesha. Ganesha is give the awake, awareness. They living in the third eye. You see the elephant nose always never leaving one place. Ganesha teach you control your mind, third eye. Then weak people has a very disturbed mind. They pray for Ganesha. Mind is going more concentrate. They more easy to concentrate one place. Anybody need to power like Hanuman. They're going to pray for Hanuman. Then different type of power. People use by different prayer and mantras. Not means different type of God. God is the one. Source of supreme power energy is the one. Representation is different. You need air and you are sitting with the heater, no possible. You need to go the air. Anybody need to mind. They're not going to pray for Kali. Kali is the power of physical and anger. They're going to pray for the Mother Saraswati. They need prayer. Singing people pray for Saraswati. Mother Saraswati. This is very important. Power is the one, different way representation, and which people need, what is need they take by this, by prayer, by mantras, by respect. This is very important. And this is very good in this religion, Hindu religion. They give the respect for everyone, they look for everyone as a God. They trust God is available in the dog also. You see here the also available lion, mouse, down also mouse, snake also. Hindu trust, and every animal has a dog. Everything is the respected. They look, all is created by this supreme energy. God living, all is leaf also. Every light thing. Now science also proved this. Everywhere has an energy. Then this is not go to confuse, try to understand the science. You need vitamin B and you eat the vitamin K, not going to solve the problem. All is vitamin, means you okay, vitamin. No, you need vitamin B, they are not going to eat vitamin K, you need to vitamin B. Anybody need vitamin C, then you use the vitamin C, then easy. Same way, some people has less physical energy. They have good to go to Hanuman temple, prayer and say I need physical Hanuman as like power, mental, physical, spiritual. Some people need like students here going to Mother Saraswati who is want singing or playing this sing or song or music, they going to Mother Saraswati. Sometimes need power, confidence to fight the bad things, bad enemy, for protection, they people going to Durga. Because this type of take energy, not because different type of God. This is very deep science. The Hindu religion make every God, the spiritual teachers, spiritual scientists, they make some reason, need to know this reason. Why make like Durga has a power and this and different thing? Why Saraswati has a Veda, books and sitar? No, this is the reason. Everything is the scientific reason. Then only I want to say, God is the one, I like which way electricity is one, supreme power. Hindu know also this, God is the one. And every religion say this, God is the one. Only this is discover the science to use the people. What is they have a less energy, which type of energy is there less, they use by prayer, they use by mantra vibration and feel this. And like which way I explain you, vitamins, minerals you take. And like sun also has a God here. Anybody has a vitamin D, okay, do the sun prayers, sun postures, grow the vitamin vitamin D, sorry. This is the best way. Then he going the confidence also. Always, it is very important. Need to understand. Never go to differentiation. For science is different or spirituality is the different. All is the same. Need I understand how much and why people create this.